Nicole, I understand that you got some really good investing advice from a coworker when you were in your early 20s. Can you talk about that?
hmm There was probably two, I would say. One would have been from my manager at the time. I was like maybe 21. And he said, Nicole, do you know about compounding? And I said, no. He's like, well, I'm going to explain this to you and I'm going to tell you about a 401k at the same time. Because at the time, I wasn't in my 401k because I was like, I'm 21 years old. Why do I have to worry about retirement or anything? But he made a simple spreadsheet where he explained compounding to me. And I was like, oh my gosh, it can grow like that. I said, as soon as he told me that, I opened up the account and then I called Nadia and said, Nadia, we got to do this 401k and compounding is amazing, you know? And then I had another coworker who she was very simple in terms of living. You know, she was from the South and she was much older. She was about close to her 60s at the time when I started working with her. And he said, Nicole, I'm going to tell you one simple thing. Whenever you make a dollar, save at least 10%, save a dime. And she just made it so simple for me to understand it. I said, okay, I can do that. And that was one of the best pieces of advice that anyone had ever given me. And she just did it off the cuff one day. And it just helped me out so much. You know, I think one of the reasons why it helped me out because during right after maybe a few months after that conversation, there was a round of layoffs that were happening because a big recession had come through. And she was one of the coworkers asking to be laid off while others were, you know, nervous or scared to be let go. And I said, wow, she wants to be given a package. I have to listen to her. Her name was Pearl. I said, I have to listen to Pearl because she's doing something right that others might not be doing. So I'm going to take that simple advice and I'm going to keep doing what Pearl told me to do.